Hi, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Alan Taylor. I'm a top producing agent here in the San Fernando Valley. If you're looking to become more knowledgeable about residential real estate in the San Fernando Valley or residential real estate in general, you're gonna wanna subscribe to this YouTube channel because every week I do property tours of the best real estate for sale in the Valley. Talking head videos where I share insider tips about what's going on in the market, how to make a better deal, upcoming developments, new restaurant openings, interviews, and more. I'm a second generation realtor and the third in my family to sell real estate, and I've spent more than 2 decades helping buyers and sellers and investors close more than 1,000 real estate transactions. In fact, 4 generations of my family have lived or worked in Sherman Oaks or Encino, and I know the street. I know which blocks are quietly appreciating, which neighborhoods are changing, and where the real opportunities are, and before most people find out. Buying or selling a home is one of the biggest decisions you'll ever make, and it can be overwhelming. This channel exists to change that. My goal is to give you real knowledge, straight talk, and the confidence to make smart decisions. Whether you're a first-time home buyer, moving up to your dream home, or selling a place that you've loved for years. Every week you'll find San Fernando Valley market updates, real numbers on prices, inventories, and interest rates. I'll take you inside new listings and sometimes before the competition finds them. And I'll share insider knowledge you can only get from someone who's been here this long. If you're ready to make a move in the Los Angeles real estate market, I'd be honored to be the agent in your corner. My contact information is right below. Reach out anytime. I'm genuinely grateful you found this channel. If these videos help you even a little bit, please subscribe. New content drops every week. And if you know somebody who's thinking about buying or selling in Sherman Oaks, Encino, Studio City, or anywhere in the San Fernando Valley, please share this channel with them, and I'll see you on the next video.